failure to file, failure to pay, which can be caused by sickness, or it can be caused by even someone passing away in your family and just forgetting to file. One must get in touch with the IRS as soon as the correspondence is received and try to make amends and get the corrections. Remember, get the person's name, the date you talked to them, their employee number, and keep a diary of what was said and what was promised. Remember, you've caused this problem, so you need to continue. In your diary, make sure you have a contact number too, that in case there is a question about it and you can't make the payment that month or that period, call the person back so they can adjust it and that you've made a good faith effort and you're continuing to go forward and solve the problem. Remember, this is the problem you have caused, not the IRS. And when you've contacted a specialist to take care of it and to work with you, remember, the accountant hasn't caused the problem and the IRS have not. They're human. They're trying to help you solve the issue and follow the law.